Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with confirmed prerequisites, KYC complete, funds settled, and the Groww app open. Once done, search the exact stock symbol and check whether it trades on NSE or BSE. That determines order entry fields. Make sure you know your target price and quantity. Now tap the stock page and select Buy to begin placing an order. Do this right away so you can access the aftermarket order option in the next step and set up your pre-market intent. Once on the stock buy screen, choose aftermarket order or ammo. This is Groww's mechanism for orders placed before the session opens. Enter quantity and set a limit price. Don't use market here because ammo executes on open only within exchange price bands. Confirm product type, delivery or intraday. This affects margin and charges. Then preview the order. Make sure your bank balance covers the total cost plus brokerage. Finally, submit the ammo so Groww queues it for the next opening session. After submitting, immediately view orders to confirm your ammo status and note the order ID. This is crucial for tracking. Once the market opens, Groww will attempt execution. If it doesn't fill, inspect whether your limit was outside the exchange's opening price band and consider placing a revised ammo. If the order fails repeatedly, capture screenshots and contact Groww support with the order ID. A single troubleshooting tip: cancel and re-enter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.